Have you ever wondered which web server is better? Today, we're comparing Caddy and Traefik. Both are popular tools for managing web traffic, but they have some key differences. Caddy is known for its simplicity and ease of use. It automatically handles HTTPS, so you don't need to worry about setting up certificates. Caddy is also great for static sites and has a straightforward configuration file. This makes it a favorite for developers who want to get things running quickly. On the other hand, Traefik shines in dynamic environments. It integrates well with containers and microservices. Traefik automatically discovers services and adjusts routing on the fly. This makes it ideal for complex setups where services are constantly changing. Now, let's look at their differences. Caddy is more user friendly and is a great choice for smaller projects or static websites. Traefik, however, is better suited for larger systems with many moving parts. If you need something that adapts to changes in real time, Traefik is the way to go. When it comes to features, Caddy offers a simple configuration and automatic HTTPS. Traefik provides advanced routing, load balancing, and support for multiple backends. Both have their strength depending on your needs. In terms of pricing, Caddy is open source and free to use. Traefik also has a free version, but there are premium features available for a fee. So, which one should you choose? If you want simplicity and ease, go for Caddy. But if you need flexibility and dynamic routing, Traefik is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, consider liking and subscribing for more tech insights.